Different versions of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has three different versions, which are free version, plus version, and API version. Number one, ChatGPT free version. ChatGPT free version is also called basic version of ChatGPT. This basic version is good for casual use. This basic version is powered by GPT 3.5, and with this basic version, user can get answer of most questions. User can generate contents and complete their basic tasks. But the limitations of this basic version is it may sometimes give outdated or incorrect answers. Number two, ChatGPT Plus version. This is a ChatGPT paid version, and if anyone want to use this version, they have to pay $20 per month. But the benefit of this version are, it is fast and smart. It is powered by GPT-4, which generate more accurate answer. And this version is great for business professionals, students, and content creators. Number three, ChatGPT API version. This version is for developer. That means developer can use ChatGPT API in their websites and APS. This version is used by companies for customer service, AI chatbots, and automation. Now here's the question, which version should you use? My suggestion are, if you're just exploring AI, then the free version is great for you. But if you use ChatGPT daily for work, then you should go to the Plus version. And if you're a developer, want to use ChatGPT for customer service, then this version is best. I hope you understand this video. Thank you so much.